So John, where are we going to? Grand Canyon? We're parked outside Denny's and let's go to the Grand Canyon in this great high country Chevrolet. Hop in, John.
So that's it. Gary, John and myself are going to head to the Grand Canyon in this beast via Hoover Dam.
So Hoover Dam. How far is West Point after that?
I think it's 2 hours and 20 minutes from Vegas itself. So from there it should be what, 1.5 hours?
And it's a sky bridge, isn't it? We're going to.
Size of the trucks.
Yeah, a Grand Canyon West Point.
Look at this thing. Just got 3 Budweisers now, don't we?
So Gary gets to grips with this huge beast of a Chevrolet, which is hired direct from an app called Turo, where you can just hire people's cars.
That corner there is a good view. You can see down into the water and onto the lake. You can see all over the lake the other way.
Mind you, you'd be probably at night, you think?
Yeah, it'd be cold a bit.
Yeah. Let it go, look at that.
I think he's going to hide it from the same way we have.
Oh, right.
Second-hand ones.
Wife's going to say, have you got the girlfriend in the photo then?
There you go.
Yeah, we go that way.
What's it cost for the day for hire? Do you know?
0.5.
$90.
Yeah,
That's not bad.
If we go 0.5, I can get you the whole car in.
Got it.
Have a look at those 3 and see what you think of them.
Do you know what size it is? Do you know what the engine size is on it?
Be 5 litre.
Yeah, something like that.
Be a 5 litre.
Yeah.
That's any good?
Yeah, we good. She wants one from her.
Yeah.
Thank you, appreciate it.
iPhone is better.
Which isn't bad
I
for
wanted
this
to
size of
stop,
vehicle.
but I can't.
Just pull behind it, Gary, for a minute. Oh, look. Aston Martin's the same, but it's just buttons.
Yeah.
So you have park, neutral, reverse and drive. Exactly the same. I think this is a nice bit of kit though. What do you reckon?
How much space there is here at the back.
There isn't, yeah, well there's a lot of, what do you reckon this is?
6 seaters are pretty squashed at the back.
Oh, it's got 2 seats in the boot, has it?
Yeah.
Is it, what do you reckon these go for then? Any idea?
I don't know in America.
The vehicle's expensive?
No, cars are cheap over here.
Are they?
Head south towards Hoover Dam Access Road, Kingman Wash Access Road.
It's $3.42 a litre.
John trying to work out the cost of fuel.
To a gallon. A gallon is nearly 4 litres. 80 pence. 80 pence a litre.
Come on, John, you can work it out. You're the Rain Man. You beat poker pots and everything.
Actually works out at 80 cents per litre. Yeah. So it's like 8 pence. Yeah. Just, yeah. It's more than they used to pay, but it's still relatively cheap, isn't it?
We're full.
One less shareholder for you, Dave?
That's a good point. If you fall, I'm 100% shareholder.
So I guess we're supposed to go up there. Up the rocks to get a higher view.
Top of the world, Gary.
Cheers, Gary.
That was our trip to the Grand Canyon. We hired this car from an app called Turo. In the background, great vehicle that. Look at the length of it.